So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find sold items on eBay. As a buyer, it's a good idea to have a range of pricing, a lower and a higher range when you're wanting to purchase something, especially when the item is a used item. So there's not a fixed price like there is on new items, and the prices can vary depending on condition and one thing and another. And also, as a seller, it's good to know what recent items have sold that are similar, their condition as well. You can get an idea of what you should be pricing your items at. The example that we're going to use is a Blue Yeti microphone. So the first thing we want to do is to type in Blue Yeti into the search bar at the top. So these are the current items that are live. What we want to do is to find the sold ones. So towards the top on the right hand side, there's a little advanced button. Let's just press that. And then we want to be scrolling down and we want to be checking this box here, which is the sold items, and then press search. And this is the page where it will show you items that have recently sold. Now, you can sort this list out, if you like, through this tab here. So you can go from ended recently to lowest price. So these are the lowest price items that have sold recently. And then you can also change it to highest price. So you can filter, so you can sort depending on what you are looking for and how you're looking to price your items, or how you're looking to purchase items. If you are wanting to filter out new items and used items, then we can check just for used items as well. So if you're looking to purchase, or if you've got one to sell that's used and you want to compare like for like, then if you press just that, if you just check that used button there, that will only show us the used items that have been listed as pre-owned. So as we scroll down, we can see pricing for different various Blue Yeti microphones. If we wanted to search only for new, so if you were on eBay and you wanted to purchase, or indeed you've got a new one to sell and you want to filter and get an idea of what it's worth as a new item, then if we can check new, and these items are filtered then to all brand new items, so you can get an idea as to how much you should be bidding or purchasing a new item for, or indeed if you're a seller, the sort of price range you want to be looking at if you have one of these that is brand new for sale. So it's very, very easy to do, but it's just a very handy little tip